Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Victory Cross Country. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Victory Cross Country with 43,496 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system and has been upgraded with aftermarket mufflers, rider floorboards, passenger foot pegs, 8-inch handlebars, braided lines and cables, bar end mirrors, an LED headlight, LED turn signals, lower fairings, wind deflectors, and an aftermarket Stage 1 intake. Powered by a 106 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Cross Country puts 96 horsepower and 106 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.8-gallon fuel capacity, the Cross Country has a 200 to 245-mile range. It has a 26.3-inch seat height and an 845-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and ships well. Our technician noted a rear valve covers seep, and the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent on the fuel tank, and a paint blemish on the saddlebags. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.